All right, what I'd like to show you here in a quick little road drainage clip here is that here we are constructing a rolling dip, right? And what's really important to notice is that, you know, a lot of work in the rolling dip occurs off the actual road tread. It's out here in this berm area where, you know, if water isn't able to get past and over and through that, then it just isn't going to do you any good. You just have a pond right here if, you know, you just have a dip in the road. So it's important to take note that a lot of work occurs on the outboard edge of the road, on the approach to the dip, especially as you're trying to get the water to, you know, quarter across the road into the outlet of your dip. Not just come down the road, hit your dip, and then cut across and discharge. You want all the flow to be gradually flowing over the outboard edge and draining over as broad an area as you can create. You can see we're stuck here because we got all these nice redwood trees, you know, growing in the berm here that we're not going to injure. But just around that one right there, you know, we got a pretty wide, as wide a spot as we can make. We're discharging over the broadest area we can.